2026, as the crescent moon graces the night sky, over 2 billion Muslims will welcome the sacred month of Ramadan. It's a time of deep faith, devotion, and community. But this shared experience isn't one-size-fits-all. It's a beautiful tapestry woven from unique personal stories, stretching across every corner of our globe. So, what does Ramadan truly feel like for different people in different places? Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar, celebrated as the month the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad. Its most well-known practice is fasting, or Sawm. From the first light of dawn until the sun sets, Muslims abstain from all food and drink. Vegin. You're a student from Indonesia, studying in the UK. During the long summer days, your fast could last up to 18 hours. It's a profound test of endurance, patience, and faith. But it's more than just abstaining. This act is a powerful exercise in self-discipline and a humbling reminder of the struggles faced by the less fortunate, fostering a deep sense of empathy. Beyond the physical fast, Ramadan is a month of intensified prayer and spiritual connection. In cities like Istanbul or Cairo, mosques overflow with worshippers, their walls echoing with the melodic sounds of special nightly prayers called Tarawih. It's a powerful collective experience. But for some, Ramadan is a much quieter affair. Scoot. Think of an asylum seeker from Indonesia, now living in the United States. He shares how much he misses the daily call to prayer, the azan, a sound that for him is the very rhythm of Ramadan back home. In the quiet of his new life, this absence pushes him toward a more personal, introspective form of reflection, a different kind of spiritual depth. Community is the heartbeat of Ramadan, especially during iftar, the meal that breaks the fast at sunset. For many living far from their families, this time of year can bring a deep sense of longing. Arash, an Iranian student in Philadelphia, fondly remembers the huge family iftars of his childhood, the table laden with his grandmother's traditional Persian dishes. Similarly, Osama from Yemen recalls the vibrant communal iftars held at his local mosque, where everyone shared food and stories. But where old traditions can't be replicated, new ones are born. In a place like New York City, you might find an interfaith iftar, where people from all backgrounds, Muslims, Christians, Jews, and atheists, come together to break bread, fostering a new kind of community built on understanding and shared humanity. Charity and compassion are also essential pillars of the month. Ramadan is a time for increased generosity. Muslims give zakat, an obligatory annual charity, and sadaqah, which are voluntary donations. It's believed that the spiritual rewards for good deeds are multiplied during this month, inspiring a global wave of kindness and support for those in need. From community kitchens to fundraising drives, this spirit of giving touches lives everywhere. As Ramadan draws to a close, the final 10 nights hold a special significance. They are considered the most sacred of the entire year, containing Laylat al-Qadr, or the Night of Power. This is the very night the first verses of the Quran were revealed, and it's a time for intense prayer and reflection. The month then culminates in the joyous celebration of Eid al-Fitr, the festival of breaking the fast days. It's a day of gratitude marked by feasts, new clothes, family visits, and exchanging gifts. A beautiful end to a month of devotion. From the discipline of an 18-hour fast in London to a quiet, reflective iftar in a small American town, Ramadan is a deeply personal and transformative journey. In 2026, it will once again be a time for Muslims everywhere to reset their spiritual compass, strengthen their faith, and celebrate a shared heritage woven from millions of individual stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from around our world.